Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to make beef biryani with egg gravy. This style of biryani is perfect for beginners and easy to make. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. First, let's see the ingredients. 3 onions finely sliced, 2 tomatoes sliced, 7 to 8 green chillies, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom, 6 cloves, 1 star anise, 2 bay leaves, some stone flour, half a cup of each mint and coriander leaves, half a cup of curd, some salt, some chicken stock. Cups of basmati rice, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 kilo beef. Into the pressure cooker, I am adding 1 kilo beef, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt and a cup of water. Mix well. Cook for 20 minutes on medium heat or keep for about 8 to 9 whistles or until it's tender. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check the meat. It's cooked well. The heavy bottom vessel, I am adding 3 tablespoons of each oil and ghee. Add the old spices, cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, cloves, star anise, bay leaves, stone flour, green chillies. Fry them for a while. This is 3 onion finely sliced. Some salt for the onion to cook fast. I am adding 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry until the rawness goes away. I am adding 2 tomatoes finely sliced, adding 1.5 tablespoons of each chili and coriander powder, give it a good mix, half a cup of curd, combine everything together. Half a cup of each mint and coriander leaves. Mix all of this well. Keep the flame on medium. Fry until the raw flavor goes away. Masala has cooked and the oil is started to separate. Let's add the cooked beef to it. Combine all of this well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the spice gets in the meat. I'm using 3 cups of rice. The ratio is 1:2. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. First check the gravy in the vessel. Detect that and add water. Instead of water, I am going to use chicken stock to cook the rice for extra flavor. I have got 1.5 cups of beef stock and the remaining 4.5 cups I am using chicken stock. In this stage, check for some salt. Give it a good mix. Cover the pot, let the water come to a boil. For chicken stock recipe, I have linked that video in the iCard above. Water has come to a nice boil. Now let's add the rice. Gently give it a quick mix. Let it cook for 20 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, give it a quick mix. Secure it with a tin foil and place a lid on it. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check it out. Be extra careful while removing the foil. Rice has cooked perfectly, soft and fluffy. Meat is cooked well and is tender. Biryani is ready to be served. Let's make side dish for the biryani. For the egg gravy, add 2 tablespoons of each sesame seeds, peanuts and grated coconut into a blender. Grind into a fine paste and keep it aside. 3 tablespoons of groundnut oil. You can use any cooking oil. Into that, 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of regular cumin seeds. Into that, add 2 green chillies, 2 dry red chillies, a few curry leaves. Saute it for a while. Three onions finely chopped. Saute onions for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this till the raw aroma goes away. Adding 1/2 cup of curd, combine everything together. To that, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Add 1/2 cup of water for the masalas to cook. Some salt to taste. Give it a nice mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. You see oil at the sides of the pan. That's the sign it's cooked well. The ground paste. I'm using mixie jar water in which I ground the paste. The paste will thicken the gravy, so add some more water and simmer it for 7 to 8 minutes. Gravy has come to a right consistency. Add some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Finally, add boiled eggs. Do try this. It's a great side dish for all rice varieties. Share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.